everybody. My name is Anna Aris and I'm from class 5, section 8. Today, my lecture topic is converting measurements. There are three main types of measurements. In maths, even in maths, any word has some types. So this measurements word also has three types. And three main types. We should be having the same in order. Length, mass, and the last is volume. What do you mean by length? What do you mean by mass? And what do you mean by volume? I will tell you. First of all, length is equal. It has some. Again, this type has all another types like centimeter and meter. It's smaller. It's smaller measurement, and then smaller is the centimeter, and then centimeter is smaller, and meter is bigger. And it's and centimeter 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. It's I mentioned it smaller to greater because I also want to mention 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So it's that's why it's smaller to greater. After that, we're gonna have example 8 meter. I told you that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, this part is clear. But we can just not have one centimeter and one every time. We can have another number, of course. We can have 8 meter. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna write 100 centimeter. No way. We're gonna just change. You just have to always put it in your mind that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So we just have to change the one, same two zeros, but do not write 1 meter is equal to, just write 1 change into 8. So it would be 800 centimeter. And do not write meter, so it would be really confusing for you. Okay, the next is mass. In the mass, there are two more types, grams and kilograms. In the grams, again, the smaller to largest. Grams, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams, not 100 grams. Okay, this part is clear. Now 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. And what if we have 9 kg? Then what we'll do? Of course, we will just drag these 3 zeros and have this number here. Mean it's gonna be 9,000, and should be mentioned the grams. Grams means it's 9,000 grams. Okay, it's 800 centimeter, it's 9,000 grams. So now, after the last is volume. Volume is it has another three types, milliliter and liter. Milliliter is the smallest and liter is the biggest. So in 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. It's again almost the same. 1 liter is 1 kg and 1000. These two have 1000 but not length. Okay, 100 length just has 100 meter. So 100 centimeter. Okay, now we're gonna have example of 7. Yeah, 7. We're gonna have example of 7 liter. But now we're just gonna think 7 liter. Okay, let's just think. Okay, so 3 zeros here. Again, and the number same here, and this would be answer 7,000 milliliter. Should we mention the units because this is really important. Okay, so it's 7 liters equal to 7,000 milliliter, means 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliter. After 9 kg is equal to 9,000 grams, means 1 kg is equal to 1,000 grams. After that, 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeters, means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Now we're gonna have anything can have with decimals. What do you think? It's like a twist. For example, we have 0.5. Okay, and they said you have to convert, it's meter, so I have to convert into centimeter. Then what will you do? You will write 0.500 centimeter. No way, you don't have to write like that. You have to whenever there is whenever there is meters or centimeter, means it's smaller to large. It's smaller to largest to smallest. Then you always have to use multiplication. You always have to multiply with the decimal, and we all know that multiply with the decimal how we do. But which is the digit which we're gonna multiply with the decimal? This is the digit 100. In each of them, even if we divide 0.9 kg, okay, 0.9 kg is equal to grams, so we're gonna divide by multiply by 1000, and it's again 1000. So, and this is centimeter, means we have to multiply with 100 centimeter. So we are gonna simply divide this with multiply with 100 Okay, we already know that it would be 1, 2. Okay, 1 means it would be 500 centimeter. It's almost the same, but you should be trying like with the multiply. It's like, you know, it would be more complicated and it would be good for you. After that, like if we have like kg, and I will just do a bit small twist. I'm gonna have here 0.9 grams and kg. So what are you gonna do? You're gonna write the same method? No, you should be first. Okay, it's like grams, and here is kilograms, meaning it's smaller to greater. So what are we gonna do? We're just gonna hit divide. You know, and this measurements in this all the units we have to multiply and divide. You can do like plus, but it will become more soon. So like 0.9 divide. We all know how to divide too. So we just have to divide it, but be careful. We have to divide it with 1,000, not 100. So we're gonna just do 0.9. Alright, divide. And when you're gonna divide it, like we all know that. Okay, it would be like 1 here, 1, 2, and 3. Means it would be 0.009. It would be 0.009. It would be this answer. It's like division and multiplication. Now like I'm gonna have like a bit more twist. We're gonna now study about how can we just plus it, you know, plus. There's just about plus, not minus. So I'm gonna do 0.9 grams is equal to how much grams? No, 1.9 grams is equal to how much grams and how much kg. Let's write it. 1.9 grams is equal to how much grams and how much kg. You would be really confused. That's what are we gonna write here? We're gonna write plus this? Yeah, of course we're gonna plus this, but in a different way. Look, whenever there's like that, so we just have to the other one, the 1 or any like whole number. So 1, okay, it's gonna be going straight to here. Okay, it's just gonna run and go here. It would be like 1 grams. Okay, and the other one, we are gonna multiply. So it's like we are saying that this one is grams to kilograms. So small to greater. We're gonna multiply this one, of course. So 9 multiplied by 100. So it will be like, and we are gonna convert it like with decimals. So it would be multiplied and 1, 2, and wait, like it would be like 9 kg. 0.9 kg means it would be 1.09 kg. This would be the answer. And here, like that, you have to plus it. And like what we learned, now I'm gonna revise it. First, we learned 3 main measurements about length, unit, centimeter, meter. After that, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Remember that. After that, like this is the example, and then second is mass, and also one more thing. We should be have the according. You know, you don't, if any question came like write the 3 main measurements. So you don't like have to first volume, then length, then mass. No, it's not good. You should be have to do the same order. First it should be length, mass, and then volume. We can easy words. You can just learn the first letter. L and weight. L and weight. Look, I learned it. L and weight means L stands for length, and after the mass stands for mass, and V stands for volume. Okay, after that, mass, grams, kilograms, units, and after that, 1 kg is equal to 1,000 grams, not 100. After that, volume, and volume units are milliliter, liter, and 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliter, and here's the example. And after that, if it's smaller to greater, we have to multiply, and if it's greater or smaller, we have to divide. After that, just plus, and you know that like there should be the exact, and we have to like multiply it. So guys, hope you enjoyed my lecture. Thank you very much.